I am Shija, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Savita School of Engineering. So in this video, in the last video, we have seen about the tabulation method. Now we can move on to the next method called as memorization method. So this memorization method follows the recursive nature. It is also based on top-down approach, but the tabulation method is based on bottom-up method. In this method, first the lookup table is initialized with -1. Then whenever we need the solution to the subproblem, we first look into the lookup table, and if the pre-computed value is available in the lookup table, we return that value. Otherwise, we have to calculate the value, and the result of that value is stored in the lookup table. Here also we will consider the same Fibonacci series as an example. So if the condition n is less than or is equal to 1, if it is true, it will return the value. Otherwise, if it is false, it will return this value. For example, we will take the value of n is equal to 5. So we will substitute this value in the condition part. So if n less than or is equal to 1, here we have taken the value of n as 5. So if 5 is less than or is equal to 1, we have to check. So here 5 is greater than 1. So the condition is false. So we have to move to the else part. So we have to substitute the value of n is equal to 5 in the equation FIB of n minus 2 plus FIB of n minus 1. So here we have to substitute the value of n as 5. So 5 minus 2, 3, FIB of 3 plus FIB of 5 minus 1, 4. So we will get two subproblems for FIB of 5, FIB of 3 and FIB of 4. Then we have to substitute the value of n as 3. The same condition. 3 is greater than 1. So it is false. So we will substitute the value of n here. We will get FIB of 1 and FIB of 3. Likewise, for FIB of 4, we will get FIB of 2 and FIB of 3. Likewise, we have to draw the precedence table. Now, here FIB of 1. Go for FIB of 1. Substitute the value of n as 1. So, if 1 less than or is equal to 1, the condition is true. So, here there is no additional computation. So, the value of FIB 1 is taken as 1. Here, the FIB of 2. FIB of 2 is divided into FIB of 0 and FIB of 1. So we know already FIB of 0 is 0. Here if we have calculated the value of FIB of 1 already. So in this part it is not required to recompute FIB of 1. So we will substitute, we will look up into the table of FIB of 1. So already it is recomputed. So we will pick up the value of FIB of 1 as 1 and we can store here. Likewise, the process will be continued. So initially the table is initialized with -1. So after computing this part, the value of -1 will be replaced with 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Thank you.